Hello and welcome to Artcraft Tiara. It's a beautiful sunny day today and I decided to paint this lovely polka dot plant. I set up my workspace like this, some kitchen towel for the leaves, some round brushes, a pencil, a micro pen, more kitchen towels for blotting extra water, and some water jars. I'm using a Canson Montville 300 GSM A5 size. I bought it when I was in India. Let's see the right side or the front side of the paper by touching the surface. More grainier is the best because it holds water nicely and doesn't warp. This side is the right side. I'm going to place a brown paper underneath to create contrast and then tape it down at the corners so the paper doesn't move while painting. Let's take our plant out of water. I will be making 3 types of paintings with this one plant. 1. Botanical, 2nd, fun sort of, and 3rd, a single big leaf. For botanical, my sketch has to be detailed. I'm using a lead pencil and keeping the pencil marks very light. So, the set of 4 leaves, big and small, the stem, the roots, and the leaf veins. Next, I am just making the 4 leaves bigger in size. Then, a big heart-shaped leaf, almost heart-shaped. I am adding some water to the colors I think I will be using, so my colors are ready when I need them. I am giving a first layer with wet on wet technique. I'm adding clean water to the leaves and then color. I'm going to erase the mark slightly up to the part where I can still see the shape. Always start with the lightest color. In this case, peach is the lightest. I am exploring this style right now, just trying to maintain the shape of the leaf. And as I apply the color, I'm leaving few gaps in between so it's patchy, just like the leaf. Now some pink tones over the wet surface, only at few places. And some water for blending. I've taken a bigger round brush for this big leaf to fill it up quickly. I'm adding clean water to the leaf shape. Now some peach color. So the first layer is dried up and we can add second layer to it. For the finer details, I am going to use a detail brush like this. I have picked a little amount of watered down forest green color and I'm carefully coloring the center vein, the lateral veins, outline, and some freckles just like they appear on the leaves. Observation is the key to achieving realistic look. The smaller leaves have lighter green colored veins, so I'll be picking a lighter green color like a leaf green. Even the freckles on these leaves are less. Also, they are more pink than the other two that are more peachy in color, and that's why I'm adding some amount of pink and then blending it in with water. Now it's time to paint the stem and the small leaves. Look carefully, the stem is more yellowish on the bottom. There's already a lot of green color on the stem in the top part, so I'm picking the color from there as the bottom part doesn't need much paint. I'm going to quickly make this set of leaves a bit abstract looking, and for that I will take a thicker round brush and add the green tones at few places. Few blobs of green color here and there before I define the veins. When the paint is still wet, I am going to add darker green with this thin brush. Just a quickly colored set of leaves. Now time to do the lighter colored veins here. And all done. Let's let it dry while we make the last leaf. I have taken a round brush number 0. It's a longer bristle brush to hold more color and water. See, with one stroke, I was able to make the center vein. I'm working on giving this leaf every detail possible and the littlest ones as well. Each and every little dot, the veins, the distorted and freckled details, the outline, everything. But I'm not stressing over every detail. It's the essence of the leaf I'm going after. I'm blending a little amount of pink in few areas. And it's done. I want to add one last fun detail to these leaves by a macro pen. I'm giving the outline and veins some character here like this. And this is how I made polka dot leaves in 3 ways. I really hope you liked this video. I would be happy to know your favorite style out of the 3. So do comment below and let me know. If you want more watercolor videos, please subscribe and stay updated by clicking on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. See you.